Hello, this video will serve to give an overview of the work that our group did to create a teaching outline based on the passage Matthew chapter 6 verses 10 through 12. The main idea that we would like to communicate based on this passage is driven by the question, what are the best arguments for Matthew chapter 6 verse 11 having an immediate sense? The main idea, therefore, that we would like to communicate based on this passage is Matthew 6:11 has an immediate sense. The passage is Matthew 6:10 through 12. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we also have forgiven our debtors. The main idea, once again, that we are communicating based on this passage is Matthew 6:11 has an immediate sense. This is supported by three evidences for this thesis, the first of which is given by R.T. France. Epiousios, found in Matthew 6:11, has one of three possible translations, the first two of which basically mean one's daily material needs. This is the meaning that R.T. France goes on to defend in the subsequent citation when he says that regardless of whether it is taken eschatologically or not, the first meaning seems to be required, that bread is needed today. And when this need is committed to God, it makes all anxiety unnecessary. The second evidence for this thesis is given by James M. Freeman, who provides background historical information saying that Jewish prayers of the time requested, "Give us our bread. Blessed art thou, O Lord, our God, King of the universe." James M. Freeman, in providing this background information, once again puts Matthew 6:11 in the immediate context. The third evidence for our thesis is provided by Craig Blomberg, who goes on to say, Christians therefore should pray daily for the next day's provision of life's essentials, as they recognize that all sustenance for one's life comes from God, and He makes no long-term future guarantees. All three of these evidences have put Matthew 6:11 in the immediate sense, and therefore our main idea that Matthew 6:11 has an immediate sense has been supported by all three evidences. What difference will this main idea make in everyday life? Well, God is our provider, here and now. A specific way in which this application can be measured is that we should ask God in faith to provide for our daily needs. Let's look at a couple of features of Logos Bible software that were useful in helping us prepare this Bible outline. Logos made a difference in two ways that we will demonstrate. The first is sentence diagramming. We can arrange this text to demonstrate its flow, therefore helping visualize how words relate to each other within the text. The second feature is passage analysis, wherein we compared pericopes and we saw where Matthew 6:11 fit into larger context of Matthew 6 and the whole book of Matthew. Thank you for watching our video.